May the Triple Gem bless all of you. We are going to talking about who is the Buddha. The Buddha, by cultivating, developing, purifying his mind, he gained enlightenment. Many people actually don't know what is enlightenment. Very loosely they use this word enlightenment. So one day the Buddha was going somewhere. He met a Brahmin. I think you know the meaning of Brahmin. Hindu, priest, teacher, guru, master. He has never seen another human being like this person. So he could not believe that this is a human being. He came and asked me, I know you are the God. The Buddha says, no, I am not a God. Others try to claim they are God or Son of God. Buddha says, I am not a God. Then he asks, in that case, where no with the you are any other form of supernaturally human beings? He say, I am no natural. Then he asks, in that case, are you ordinary human being? No. Now confusing. In his mind, who is person is? Then we are they. Who are you? The Buddha gave the answer. This answer is very important for us to know, to understand who the Buddha is. If somebody come and ask you, now you follow the Buddha, can you tell me actually who the Buddha is? But I don't think you can give correct answer. You say something, this self introduction given by the Buddha is very meaningful. We can understand why he is called enlightened one. He said in his own language, Abhinyayang abhinyatam. I understood everything that which exists in this universe. Bhave tabbancha bhavitam. I have practiced all the great qualities, virtues, morals, principles and good qualities in this world. Paha tabbang pahinammi. I have eradicated, uprooted all the wicked, cruel, harmful, immoral thoughts, words and action. Tasma buddhosmi brahman. Therefore, I am not a god, not an angel, not an ordinary man. I am the Buddha. This is the meaning of the Buddha or enlightened. Buddha is not his name. Buddha is the person who got the supreme enlightenment. That person is called the Buddha. So you can understand how difficult it is for a person to develop his mind to know everything that which exists in this universe. He has not done this within one lifetime, life after life, by practicing parami or perfection. He went cultivating, developing, knowing, understanding all the existing things. He did not want to introduce religion. He did not want to introduce Buddhism. He wanted to introduce how to lead respectable, harmless, noble life. That is the main purpose of his message. May the Triple Gem bless all of you.